I know how overwhelming it can be to find the right micro ATX case. I bought and tested these products so you don't have to waste money. Let's dive into the top 5 micro ATX cases that balance performance, aesthetics, and value. Product number 1, Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L. When I first got my hands on the Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L, I was undeniably impressed by its design and functionality. The case is a mini tower that supports micro ATX and mini ITX motherboards, making it versatile enough for various builds. The ample interior space is a game changer, allowing for easy component installation and future upgrades. I could easily fit a 240mm liquid cooler alongside 5 fans, which really helped with airflow. The adjustable I/O panel is also a thoughtful addition. I could position it wherever I wanted on the case, which is a feature I didn't know I needed until I had it. The transparent acrylic side panel is a standout feature as well. It showcases my meticulously arranged components beautifully. I loved being able to show off my build to friends. The open thermal design with perforated sides ensures optimal airflow, which is vital for any gaming setup. The magnetic dust filters are a bonus, keeping my components clean without any hassle. In terms of cons, I found the build quality to be decent, but not as premium as some competitors. However, considering its price point, it's a small compromise. Overall, if you're looking for a case that combines functionality with a sleek design, the Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L is hard to beat. Product number 2, Lian Li A3 mATX WD 26.3L. Next up is the Lian Li A3 mATX WD 26.3L. As a micro form factor chassis, it has a sleek, modern design that instantly caught my eye. One of the most unique features is its wood front panel, which adds a touch of elegance that you don't see in many gaming cases. It supports both micro ATX and ITX motherboards and offers flexibility in power supply mounting, accommodating ATX, SFX, and SFXL power supplies. I was pleasantly surprised by how well it handled larger components. A GPU of up to 415mm can fit without any issues. The modularity design is impressive, allowing for easy modifications as your build evolves. I appreciated the steel mesh panels, which not only look good, but also support airflow, keeping my components cool during intense gaming sessions. However, it's worth noting that this case doesn't come with any fans, which means you'll need to invest in those separately. This could be a deal breaker for some, but I found that the lack of pre-installed fans allows for customization. Overall, I would recommend the Lian Li A3 for anyone looking to combine aesthetics with performance. It's a stunning case that stands out while offering the functionality that gamers need. Product number 3, NZXT H3 Flow. The NZXT H3 Flow has become a go-to for many gamers, and I can see why. Upon unboxing, I was struck by its modern design and build quality. This case is all about optimizing airflow, which is critical for keeping components cool. The ultra-fine steel mesh panels are not just stylish, they effectively filter dust while promoting airflow. I was able to install a 280mm radiator at the front and a 240mm radiator at the top, along with 7 fans, creating a powerful cooling solution for my high-performance components. The space-saving design is a huge plus, giving me the ability to use full-sized GPUs up to 377mm. The pre-installed rear fan was a welcome addition, making the initial setup a breeze. However, one downside I encountered was that it could feel a bit cramped when installing larger components, which may frustrate those accustomed to more space. That said, if you're serious about gaming and need a case that supports powerful components while maximizing airflow, the NZXT H3 Flow is an excellent choice. It balances functionality and aesthetics in a way that caters perfectly to gamers. Product number 4, Antec Flux M. The Antec Flux M is another strong contender in the micro ATX case market. What I noticed right away was its innovative vertical airflow design, which accelerates heat exhaust from the bottom to the top. This feature is especially beneficial during long gaming sessions, ensuring that my CPU and GPU remain cool. The case comes pre-installed with several fans, including ARGB PWM fans, which not only provide excellent cooling, but also add a splash of color to my build. I loved the aesthetic appeal that the ARGB lighting brought to the table. The support for up to a 360mm radiator at the top was impressive, allowing for even more cooling potential. The cable management space is generous, making it easy to keep my build looking neat and organized. However, I did find that some of the included fans can be a bit noisy at higher RPMs, which might not suit everyone's taste. If you're looking for a compact gaming case that excels in both cooling performance and visual appeal, the Antec Flux M is a fantastic option that won't disappoint. Product number 5, Jonsbo D32 Pro. Lastly, I checked out the Jonsbo D32 Pro Micro ATX PC case, which offers high compatibility for various hardware configurations. This case is designed with a focus on performance and ease of use. The AB mode allows for optimization depending on the motherboard type, whether it's a standard or back connect motherboard. This feature is something that I found particularly useful when experimenting with different setups. The tempered glass side panel gives a clean view of the internals, and the adjustable cable management cover is a thoughtful touch, helping to hide unsightly wires. I appreciated that it accommodates GPUs up to 365mm and has ample space for cooling solutions, including 240mm AIOs. The installation experience was smooth, thanks to the detachable PCIe position design that makes inserting larger graphics cards a breeze. However, one downside is that the PSU clearance is somewhat limited, which could pose challenges for those with larger power supplies. Overall, the Jonsbo D32 Pro is a top choice for gamers looking for an affordable case that doesn't skimp on features, making it a worthy investment. In conclusion, these 5 micro ATX cases each bring something unique to the table. Whether you prioritize aesthetics, airflow, or ease of installation, there's a case here that fits your needs. Do your research and choose the one that resonates with your gaming or PC building experience. Happy building!